Hey guys, Mr. H. This is question 21 from the January 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. It is a question on finding the average rate given a table of values. And basically, it's just calculating slope. Another name for average rate of change is slope, right? And if you remember your slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that's the quickest, easiest way, cleanest way to do this. Now, you could also use the spreadsheet and just choose 2 points. But a lot of students, they usually try to put the entire table in, and that'll mess you up. We don't want to use the entire table. We only need 2 points, and that's all we can use. So they said we're going to start from 2000, and we're going to go to the year 2014. So all I'm going to do is, by the way, this is the x, this is the y. I'm going to go and I'm going to put 25 minus 750 over 2014 minus 2000. So I use this y value, or I took this y value and subtracted this one from it. So I'm going to take this x value and subtract this one from it. So I know on the bottom it's going to be 14, but now I'm going to use the calc. Actually, this one is going to be 725 on top, a negative 725. But I'm just going to show you what we're doing on the calculator. So let me get to the calculator. I'm going to use a stack fraction, so control divide. And then I'm just going to do 25 minus 750 over 14. Now remember, they want us to round this, which means it's going to have decimals. So if I want my answer to have decimal, then I need to put a decimal in here someplace. All right, and it tells me a negative 51.785, blah, 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 blah. All right, if I go to the answer choices, you can see which one is the closest. Ooh, actually there's two. Oh no, there's one, because this one is positive. So we need it to be negative, so it's going to be a negative 51.8. That's our answer, and I'm sticking to it. All right, that's it. That's it, guys. That's all you're doing. Now, if you wanted to use the spreadsheet, you can, but you can only use those two values. So you can make the x values 2000, and then 2014, and then you can make the y values 750, and then 25, and then go and see how it works. So yeah, that's it. If you know that average rate of change is the slope formula, then use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you want to use the spreadsheet, that's clean. That works as well. It's just a little bit more work. All right, I am going to stop and I'm going to post this.